Hi, I'm Kyle with Freezing Point, the makers of Frazil. This video will teach you proper monthly maintenance of your Frazil machine. Keeping your machine cleaned and well-maintained will help you sell more product. Let's go through a simple step-by-step process you should follow on a monthly basis to keep your Frazil machine clean and in working order. To complete this process, you'll need the following items: a health code approved 3-bowl sink, warm water, food-grade sanitizer, Frazil mixing jugs, clean wash towel, and paper towels. Step 1, drain the machine. Start by turning the ice chill button to off. This button can be found below the display screen and is marked by a small snowflake. Note that each side operates independent of each other. Next, drain the product out of the Frazil machine, making sure the machine is completely empty. Using lukewarm water, rinse the remaining product out of the hopper. Once the hoppers are empty, turn the auger to the off position. This button is located near the snowflake button. Press the button until the display screen reads auger off. Step 2. To remove the handles, grab one side of the handle firmly and pull. This will disconnect one side. Repeat for the other side. Step 3. Remove the hopper, auger, and drip tray. Remove the product sensor. Press the hopper lock on the bottom left side of each hopper. Lift slightly and pull towards you to remove the hopper. Remove the auger from the cooling drum. Remove the hopper seals from the flange on the back of the cooling drums. Remove the drip tray by sliding it back from the machine. Step 4. Clean the machine. Slide the faucet straight up, removing it from the hopper. Remove the spring and the faucet seal from the back of the faucet. Remove the auger nose bushing from inside the front of the hopper. Place the faucet, spring, nose bushing, handle, drip tray, auger, hopper, and seals inside the sink with warm water. The process is to wash, rinse, and sanitize. Do not scrub the hopper with an abrasive brush. This will scratch the hoppers. Instead, wash the hoppers with warm water, dish detergent, and food-grade non-abrasive disinfecting wipes. You may also choose to use a terry cloth towel. Next, clean the auger, drip tray, handle, faucet, spring, nose bushing, and seals, being careful to remove product that may be stuck to these parts. Run the light lid under warm water and rub with a cloth to remove excess product. While the lights are water resistant, you should avoid completely submerging them. Allow all parts to air dry. Using food-grade sanitizer, spray the cylinders, upper drip tray, and wipe clean. You can also wash the back motor housings in the front of the machine with sanitizer. A dirty filter is the #1 problem with these machines. The filter is the entire rear of the machine. You can remove the filter by pulling down, out, and up using the 2 tabs on the filter. Remember, even the machine has to breathe. Wash the filter under hot water until the water runs clear. Then replace the filter by placing the bottom in the track and snapping back into place. The filter should be cleaned every 15 days. Step 5. Reassemble the auger, hopper, and drip tray. Replace the augers and turn until the auger clips into the slotted part of the machine shaft. Once in place, you will not be able to turn the auger with your hand. Replace the auger, then push down on the cylinder to level the barrel. This will prevent tank seal leaks by keeping pressure on the top portion of the seal. Replace the auger nose bushing inside of the front of the hopper.
Recently, the machine manufacturer released a new version of the hopper seal. Both seals work well, but depending on which seal you have, it needs to be installed differently. The primary difference between the 2 seal types is a large groove through the entire seal with small ribs on the inside as opposed to a flat back. If your seal has this large groove, it needs to be installed directly onto the hopper by fitting the back opening of the hopper into the groove on the seal. Ensure the seal is tightly fitted to the back of the hopper opening so that there are no gaps between the seal and the hopper. Check around the hopper to make sure the seal isn't pinched or bubbled up anywhere. The hopper is then installed onto the machine and pressed securely against the seal. Inspect the seal to ensure there are no gaps or pinches between the seal and the hopper. If the seal is pinched, it will cause the product to leak out of the machine. If your seal does not have this groove, it is installed directly onto the machine by pressing the larger flat side of the seal completely flush around the back of the cylinder before installing the white auger as follows.
Slide the hopper and push back until the hopper drops into place and locks. Ensure you haven't pinched the hopper seal. This is what a pinch seal will look like. A pinch seal will cause product to leak outside of the hopper. Step 6. Attach handles and faucets. First, inspect the seal for any creases or damage. If the seal is intact, carefully replace the faucet seal and spring inside the faucet. The seal is designed to fit only one direction. Slide the faucet into place on the hopper. Replace the handles by hooking the post on the hopper. Push on the handle to ensure you've assembled the faucet correctly. Use your hand to ensure the seal is still in place. Step 7. Place product into the machine. Remove product from the refrigerator or cooler and pour carefully into the machine. Mix more product to ensure the machine is filled to the max fill line. Check to ensure the product is not leaking from the drip tray, back, side, or bottom of the machine. If you see product leaking, drain the product and replace the tank seal. Replace the product sensor. Replace the light lids and plug them in. replace the drip tray. Step 8. Turn the machine on. Turn the machine on by pushing the button on the top left of the LED screen. Push the snowflake button on the right and left sides until the screen says ICE in capital letters. This should turn on the augers as well, but if not, press the auger button until the auger starts to spin. The screen will say auger on. Hold the Ultra button for 4 seconds to reset the filter needs cleaning message. This will appear 30 days after reset. Check for leaks one more time to ensure the product is not leaking from the machine. The machine should be cleaned once every month and filters twice per month. We also recommend you change out your tank and faucet seals at least once every 6 months. Congratulations, you've completed cleaning your Frazil machine. If you have any questions, dial 1-877-372-9455 and press 5 for machine service or 0 for Frazil customer service. You can also order parts through our website at frazil.com/retailer by clicking on Order Free Marketing and POS. Remember, service calls and parts for bundle customers are free. Thank you for taking the time to properly clean and maintain your machine.